Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And today it's different. We're not going to be working on the truck. I got some chairs that I need to repair. Got a couple of broken legs on it. And as you guys know in my description, it's the Old Farts Garage where we tinker and do everything old school. It's not just 63 restoration. It also has to do with little stuff like this, you know, got to fix the chairs and maybe some fishing videos or some shooting videos, or, you know, like I said, it's everything, you know, whatever happens in the garage and outside. It's all about just enjoying life and retirement and just tinkering. So anyways, let me show you what we got going on. All right. So we got a couple chairs here, okay, and they're not the greatest chairs in the world, but as you can see, you know, they're pretty broken up. Cheap wood, what do you expect? These are just loose here, so we're good there. The back ones are good, so it's just this one right here that I gotta tighten up, and then this one here. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty broke up. Okay, this one's good. Okay, all these are good, but you know, you could see it's just cheap wood. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this, try to get this leg sturdy again so that people can sit on it. All right, got my saw set up here, and I just got to go get some wood and get started. So we'll get right back to you. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and pull this piece off here. And then I got to use it as a template so that I can cut a new piece of wood. But I got to find the right Allen wrench. Get a whole bunch of Allen wrenches every time you buy furniture. You always get these extra wrenches and stuff, so I got this, quite the collection of Allen wrenches. Okay, this one here goes to the leg, these here, and then I got some screws that are which connects to the chair itself. I'm going to have to use a dovetail, not a dovetail, a joint, one of those, I don't know what the hell you call those damn things, but a jig so that I can drill some holes to mount the wood with. And who knows, this table chair may not be salvageable, but there we go. Okay, well, the leg looks okay. All right, there's nothing really damaged on it. It's not cracked or broke. All right, let's go ahead and pull these little screws out of here. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and use our trusty rigid drill. I'm going to find the right bit. Okay, so I need a Phillips. There we go. I was just wanting to Well, hell, this one ain't even connected. Ah. Let's see if I can get these out of here. Okay, there's that one. It really doesn't want to come out. I'm wondering if it's not stripped. Okay. And the reason being, like I said, you know, normally I would use a screwdriver, but I want to make sure these come out nice and easy. I don't want to tear up any more of the wood than I have to, you know, if I can avoid it. And as you can see, it is coming off easier. All right, there we go. It was even glued on there, but that's some lousy glue. All right, so here's what we got. Okay, these are the screws that go into the chair itself. These are the screws that go, the holes for the screws that go into the leg. Okay, it's got these little tiny staples. All right, see. I don't know if the camera's catching it. Okay, so anyways, I gotta use this as a template for, I don't know why. You know, why is that? You guys ever have one of those days where you're trying to do a video and you're trying to make everything look easy, you know, because you want some good content, you know, you want to share stuff with your fellow YouTubers and DIYers and all that and everything. But for some reason, stuff just doesn't go your way. You know, and I'm having one of those days. All right. And all this is just a simple staple, but geez Louise, is it giving me a hell of a time. There we go. Got it. But still got two more on there on the other side. And they're all bent out of shape because of, there we go. All right. There's my template. But also too, this part here, I might have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. What I'm gonna do is I happen to have some angle, some L-shaped brackets. I'm gonna put one on there. All right. And like anything else, I gotta find where I put them. There we go. There's a couple of them. I can put that on there, like so. Okay. Well, hell's bells. I think that bracket's going to be in the way. So I need to cut this again. All right, guys, so got the chairs done. What a pain in the ass. I tried to get all professional on it and make it look all, good and cut some new pieces and stuff and all that. I got the brackets cut out and put in, but then I got to thinking, you know what? They're cheap chairs anyways. Why am I even bothering? So I got all Frankenstein on them. Trust me, these chair legs aren't going anywhere. We have my Frankenstein chairs. As you can see, I went ahead and braced it all with these. I got these little sheet metal bracket type things here. Okay, see there? And that's what I made these top parts with, so that little cheap wood bracket is extra reinforced with the actual frame of the chair. All right, and let me tell you, these legs ain't gonna go nowhere. Same thing here. I got these brackets here that I went ahead and put on. It's gonna hold. These chairs are gonna go before the legs do. So, and I don't care, because you're not gonna see it. Okay, like this one here. Okay, it's got a cover. All right, and if you pull the cover, again, Frankenstein chairs. Huh? Look at there. Better than what the store made them. If they would have done a better job, they wouldn't have got broke or loose. Look at that. That baby's in there for good. So anyhow, that's my video for today. And I hope that you guys, enjoy it, or at least see it. At least give it a like. Give it a little thumbs up and everything. And tomorrow I'm busy. Friday I'm busy. So I probably won't get to the 63 till the weekend or possibly Monday. But anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the subscription, for all who subscribe and like my videos. And I hope you share them. And like I said, here in the Old Farts Garage, we don't just do one thing, we do it all. At least we try. And if I can't, well, you know what? If I can't fix it, then you need to break. Then you need to, that's a blooper. Here at the Old Farts Garage, if I can't fix it, then you're just going to have to go get a new one. All right? So y'all have a good day now, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless.